yours?
I don't know how good quality this is going to be.
Is he doing it?
Don't eat my ball.
Don't you big fucking dickhead! I'll put this down and I'll smack you in the face.
Do you know what I did once, Mark?
He's trying to eat his snowballs, he's wrecking it.
It was snowing like this in middle of night, and I woke up and it was all over gardens like this. Kids were in bed, and I come out and it was 5 o'clock in the morning and I was playing on my own outside. Francis woke up, she comes in and
Should I go put some socks on?
Hey?
Should I go put some socks on?
I don't know.
Because my feet are feeling like they're already got frostbite.
Maybe. You may hear me snowman. It just won't grip, will it?
DJ wants some. Rub it in his face. Rub it in his face.
Took your hand off. TJ. TJ.
Right, I'm just gonna put this down.